So I already put this question on the board, Shabab. So please solve it and get the first. Solve it, show me, get the first. We have the temperature minus 15 to 30 degrees centigrade. We need to convert into milliampere and percentage. So solve it, show me the solution, get the first.
Again, teacher, please.
You can see the board, right? Shabab, you guys can see the board, right?
Yes, yes.
So the question is already there. The temperature is from minus 15 to 30 degrees centigrade, right, Shabab? See here, minus 15 to 30 degrees centigrade. This is the range of the temperature. We need to convert into milliampere. The standard signal is 4 to 20 milliampere. And we need to convert into percentage signal from 0 to 100%. So please solve it. Get the first. Solve it and show me. Get the first. Some brother is trying, Shabab. Yeah, Shabab, some brother is trying.
Yes, I am trying.
That's good. That's good. Lot of brothers they are sending me the message.
Teacher, I finish.
Yes, please show me. What is your answer?
Teacher, I finish.
Yeah, please show me.
X. I will show you, teacher.
Yeah, please.
1 minute. Teacher. You see, teacher?
X minus 4, 20 minus 4, then 15 minus 5.
15, teacher, this.
15 minus 15 over 30 minus 15. That's good. Your procedure is correct. Your procedure is correct. Y minus 0 over 100 minus 0, 15 minus 15 over 30 minus 15. So your procedure is correct. So what is your ID, brother? Tell me your ID.
I want to tell you something, teacher. There is 2 students, the last 3 digit 158. So be careful.
No problem. You please
My
tell me your ID.
391 902 158.
902 158.
902
that's good.
158.
Okay, Shabbat, please see here. Other brothers see here. So this brother will help me in doing. Very good. This brother Awad is also showing. Ali Ahmad Awad. Lot of other brothers are also showing. Very good, brothers. Very good. Very nice. So yes, brother, tell me how to write the X. Yes, brother. X minus 4.
Teacher. 20 minus 4.
20 minus 4. Very good. Equal to
15 plus
15.
Plus 15, teacher, because it's minus.
15 minus 15 over
15 minus 30.
15 minus
30.
15 minus. Is it correct, Shabab?
15
minus.
Plus,
So this
teacher.
15 is correct?
No, teacher, 30, not 15.
30. In front of 20, 30. 30 minus
minus 15.
minus 15.
Minus 15, very good. So how it will go now? X minus 4 over
16.
16. Very good. It equal to, what is this?
30
30
over
over what is
45.
this?
45.
45. Very good. So x is equal to 4 plus 16 into 30 over 45. Yeah, Shabab, how much is this?
Wait,
X
teacher.
equal 14.667.
How much? 14.67.
667.
Shabab, verify it.
In 0.66.
14 point. Is this correct, Shabab?
Yes.
This answer is correct, Shabab. Everybody verify, please. Shabab,
Yes,
everybody
it's
verify.
correct. Yes.
Yes, teacher, that's correct.
That's good. That's good, mashallah. That's good. Okay, Shabab, how are we going to write the other part? Percentage part. Y minus yes, Shabab, y minus
0.
0, 0.
0 over
100 minus 0.
100 minus 0 is equal to same 30 over 45. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, with you, teacher.
So y is equal to 30 into 100 over 45. How much, Shabab?
66.667.
66.66%. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask.
Teacher.
Yes. Yes, Shabab, who will read the next question? Question 1.5 on page 15. Please read. Yes, Shabab, please read the question 1.5. Page 15. Yes, Shabab, who's writing?
Teacher, in which book? Practical book?
No, in theory book.
Theory.
Yes, Shabab. This is question 1.5. Please read it.
Is it the tank, teacher, right?
Yes.
The tank is calibrated as following: 30
Yes.
millimeter equal 4 milliampere and 130 millimeter equal 20 milliampere.
Very good.
If the process variable equal 70 millimeter, find out process variable in milliampere and present.
So, what is the calculation, Shabab? What is the calibration? 30 millimeter equal to 4 milliampere, right? What is the calibration, Shabab? 30 millimeter is equal to 4 milliampere. This is the calibration for this level tank. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me? Okay. Now, what is the current process variable? Right now, how much tank has? 70 millimeter. Right now, the tank has 70 millimeter. So we need to find PV. PV we need to find in milliampere and percentage. Both PV we need to find. Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are replying yes. Okay, Shabab, what is the procedure? We always draw the two lines. How we draw the two lines? Like this. So here we already have the two lines. So what is our calibration, Shabab? 4 to 20 milliampere and see here 30 to 130, 30 to 130 millimeter, and here 0 to 100. This is our calibration. This is our two line. Shabab with me? So how will write how will find X? Yeah, Shabab. How are you gonna find it?
Use the two-line method, teacher. X minus
Yeah.
4,
X minus
4,
so here it is X, and how much is here? 70 millimeter. Right, Shabab?
yes,
So X minus 4 over
20 minus 4,
20 minus 4 is equal to
70 minus 30,
70 minus 30 over
130 minus
130 minus 30.
30.
So how much is this, Shabab?
X equals 10.4.
X is equal to
10.4.
so X minus, yeah, you are correct, but let's solve a little bit. So 70 minus 30, how much, Shabab? 40 over
Over 100.
100.
So it will be X is equal to 4 plus 4 into 16 by 10. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So it will be equal to how much?
10.4.
10.4 milliampere.
Milliamp. Y equal 40%.
Sorry. And Y equal to, yes, very good. Y is equal to, same way, we're going to write Y minus 0 over 100 minus 0 is equal to 70 minus 30 over 130 minus 30. That will bring Y is equal to 40%. Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, teacher, yes.
That's good. Lot of brothers, they are saying yes, inshallah. That's good. Yes. Read the part B, brother. Now, what is the part B? Yashima, please read the part B. So we put here one Let me draw it a little lower because it is not coming in the camera correctly. So we have a tank here. Its calibration is 30 millimeter, 4 milliampere, 130 millimeter, 20 milliampere. This is the calibration. Here we put a temperature transmitter, temperature indicator transmitter, a level indicator transmitter, sorry, Shabab. Level indicator transmitter, that will send the signal to the level indicator controller. This is the set point. This is what, Shabab? This is what here?
Electrical signal, teacher.
PV. Very good. PV. Lot of brother, they are replying PV. Very good. Very good, Shabab. This is coming here. We put here I to P converter, and this side we put the valve. Control valve is there, and this control valve is, Shabab, normally open, normally close. Yeah, Shabab. Normally open, normally close. It is written there. It is written on the diagram. Yeah, Shabab. This valve is normally open, normally closed. Check the diagram, is written there. Normally closed, very good. Lot of brothers they are saying normally closed. It is written there, Shabab. Please check there. It is written like here, normally closed. Very good. Very good. Okay, Shabab. Please read the part B. Yes, brother, please read the part B. Who gonna read?
Can I read?
Yeah, please, please.
Okay. Assume the out of the controller is 30%.
This is the output of the controller here, Shabab. This one. How much? 30%.
30%.
Right? Yes.
Calculate the signal before and after I and B, input and output.
So we need the signal here and here. Before and after I to be converter. Before I to be converter, it is electrical signal, right?
Right.
And after I to be converter, it is which signal?
Pneumatic.
Pneumatic signal. Shabab with me?
350 side.
Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, teacher, yes.
That's good. So with this, what is the output of the controller? 30%. Right, Shabab? Output of the controller is what? 30%. So we need milliampere. Here we need milliampere, and here we need what we need here? PSI.
PSI.
Very good. Muhammad Salim Zahri is replying. I know a lot of brothers are replying. Here we need PSI. Very good, Shabab. So again, our old friend two-line method is there. Right, Shabab? Our two-line method is there. So we bring the two-line method again in action. So you can see the lines, right? So here 0 to 100, 4 to 20 milliampere, 3 to 15 PSI. Right, Shabab? So how much is the output of the controller right now? 30%. So 30% is here. So find X, find Y. Yes, Shabab, find X, find Y, get the first. Find X, find Y, show me the procedure, get the first.
8.8 milliampere.
So you show me the procedure. Yes, Shabab, please show me the procedure. Get the first.
Yes.
This brother is showing. You remove it.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, this brother is showing x minus 4, 20 minus 4, 20 minus 30 minus 0 or 100 minus 0. Yeah, your procedure is correct. So what is your ID, brother? Tell me your ID.
698.
698, that's good. So we already have solved this example, if you guys remember. So x minus, yes brother, tell me how to write it. X minus
X minus 4 over 20 minus 4
4 over 20 minus 4. Very good.
equal to 30 minus 0 over
30 minus 0.
100 over 100 minus 0.
Very good. So when you solve it, you will get x what?
8.8 milliamp.
8.8 milliampere. And the same way for y, we can write. Yashaba, please tell me how to write for y. Yashaba, how to write for the y?
30, 100.
Everybody will say
6.6.
that. So it will
6.6
become
Y.
6.6
6.6.
PSI.
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 Yes.
So this is our part B, Shabab. This is what? Part B. The part B, second part is how much the valve is open if it is normally closed valve. How much it is open?
13% open, teacher.
Right?
It will be 70, teacher.
How much? Can it see from here? How much valve is open and how much valve is closed? What is our valve, Shabab? What is type of our valve? Normally closed, very good. Lot of
Normally closed.
Normally closed, right? Okay, that's good. So this is our output of the controller, 0 to 100%. And this is our normally closed valve. That's what we have here. Our valve here is normally closed. See, on the other side, you can see in the PID diagram, normally closed valve. So at 0 signal, it should be 100%. Yes, Shabab? 100%
Close.
closed. At 100% signal, full signal, 0% closed. Right, Shabab? When it is 100% closed means 0% open.
Open.
And here 100%
100% open.
open. Now how much is the signal, Shabab? How much is the signal? 30%. Right? How much is the signal? Out signal is how much, Shabab?
30.
30%. Right? So lot of brothers they are replying. So somewhere here, 30%. So how much is closed? Valve is how much closed?
70. Yes.
70%. Very good. 70% here closed.
And
And how much
30% open.
30% open. Very good. Any question up to Shabab? Please ask. So we always draw this diagram to find the opening and closing of the valve. Right, Shabab?
Teacher,
Yes.
can you repeat? I have again, teacher. I have confused.
Sorry?
Can you repeat this? I have confusion
Sorry,
about
can
this.
we say it again? Yes, yes,
Can
we
you
can
repeat?
repeat, no problem. We will take another wall, Shabab. We will take the normally open wall. No, our wall is what? Normally open. Right, Shabab?
30.
What is our wall now? Normally open. So we extend this diagram. Right, Shabab? So what is our wall now? Normally open. So for normally open, here 100%.
Open.
Yes, Shabab. Open. Very good. Here
0% open.
0% open. Very good. And here 0%
0% close.
closed. And here 100%
100% close.
closed. How much is the signal, Shabab? 30%. This one here. So how much? How much open?
70%.
70% open.
And
Because this is the signal
30%
30%.
close.
So 100 minus 30 is 70. And how much closed? 30%
30%.
closed. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are replying, mashallah. Very good. Yes, Shabab. Any question up to here? Very good. Lot of brothers, they are saying no question. Okay. Please read the part C, Shabab. No, please read the part C. Yes, brother Abdul Malik, please read the part C. Brother Abdul Malik is there? Page 17. Part C is on page 17, Shabab.
Can I read the teacher?
Yeah, please read, please. Brother Abdul Malik, I don't know why he's not replying. Yes, you please read.
Assume same value is 30% close. Find the signal before and after the attribute.
No, before the B part, it was the output of the controller is 30%. No, output of the controller is not given. No, what is given, Shabab? No, this wall is given. This wall. This wall is given now. How much this wall, Shabab? 30% close. This wall is 30% close. Shabab with me? This wall is 30% close. And what we need to find? Signal, PSI and milliampere. Before and after the I to P converter. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, a lot of brothers they are saying yes. That's good. So before output was given and we find these signals. Now the wall is given 30% close, normally close wall, 30% close. Right, Shabab? And we need to find these two signals. So what should be our strategy, Shabab? How are we going to find them? Yeah, Shabab. How are we going to find them? Two-line method, lot of brothers are saying two-line method. So what should we find first? Because the two-line method we can apply if we know the output of the controller. Here we just know the 30% close, wall is 30% close. So can we find output of the controller from here? If the wall is 30% close, can we find the output, Shabab?
Yes, we can.
Yes, Shabab. So wall is first normally close. Wall is normally close. Normally close wall. And right now it is 30% closed. This is given. Normally closed wall, 30% close. So signal is there. Normally closed wall, we need this one. So let us remove this one. 30% close is where, Shabab? Where it is?
Right side.
This side?
Right side.
Right side, very good. Right side. Right side mean what? Here. Because it is 0% closed. This is 100% closed. So 30% closed here. This is 30% closed, Shabab. Right?
Yes.
So this 30% closed mean how much signal? How much is the signal, Shabab?
70.
70%. Very good. Very good. 70% signal is there. So now we found the signal. If we know the signal, can we find the milliampere and PSI? Can we find it, Shabab?
Yes. Yes.
This is very straightforward now. Same way, we're gonna draw the two-line method. What is the signal, Shabab? 70%. 4 to 20 milliampere, 3 to 15 PSI. And this is 70% signal. Find X, find Y. Any question up here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, any question up to here? One brother is asking why 70. See here, let me explain once again. See here, valve is what? Normally close. Right, Shabab? Valve is what? Normally close. And right now it is 30% close. That's what is given. 30% close. So we need to find these two signals, milliampere and PSI. These two signals we need to find. Now we cannot find them until unless we know the output of the controller. We cannot find them. So from this closed 30% closed valve, we will try to find the output of the controller like this. Output of the controller goes from 0 to 100, right? Here normally close, this is the configuration, 100% close, 0% close, 0% open, 100% open. So right now 30% closed, this one here. So what is the signal? Corresponding signal is what? See the signal, 70%. So it means, very good, lot of brothers they are saying fine. So it means the 70% signal is there. So again we'll draw the two-line method and we find the X and Y. So now signal we found, that is what? 70%. This one.
Sir,
Any
X,
question about it? Yes.
X equal 15.2 milliamp.
Yeah, you can find it. I know, no, Marshall, every brother can find it. The main thing is here, how to find the signal from the given control valve. Right, Shabab?
Give me,
Any
for
question up here,
example,
Shabab? Please ask.
teacher, if he gives
Yes.
me 40, the normally close will be 60.
Sorry?
If you give me the number 50, for example, or 40, close it, the
40% close, you mean?
yes,
Yeah, say, okay, you say 40% close, for example.
it will be 60, teacher.
The signal will be 60. See here, 40% mean where? Where it will be 40%?
60.
This side or this side? Where?
Here, teacher,
This
in the left.
Here, right?
Yes,
So this 40% closed. So how much is the signal? 60%. Yes.
okay, I understand.
That's good, mashallah. Any other question, Shabab? Please ask. Now we are starting, Shabab, these problems. This is from here the homework start. This is homework number 1, Shabab. Right? So all the brothers, they're gonna do the homework and gonna submit. This is bonus marks. Everybody knows we have 4 types of bonus marks, Shabab. So one of them is homework. Everybody with me, Shabab? Yes, lot of brother, mashallah, saying yes. Yes, brother, read the question, please. Who will read? Brother Hadi. Yes, brother Hadi, please read the question. This is our Shabab rooftop tank. Some human being is standing here and watching it. His hand is here. And this is the inlet here, inlet. And outlet is this side. Yashima, who will read the question? Please read the question.
Can I read it?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Describe the type of control system as follow.
Yashima, what type of control system is this?
Manual.
Manual control system. Right, Shiva? There is a human being, he is standing there and he will control the system. Right, Shiva? So it is
Right.
manual control system. So what is the B part, Shiva?
Can I read it?
Yeah, please.
We want to change it in automatic control system. Specify instruments and devices.
So we will change it to automatic. Have we done it before?
Yes.
Did we discuss it before, Shiva? Yes. Lot of brothers are saying yes, mashallah. So it means the brother are remembering, mashallah. Also, brother, revise. Please also revise. So today we will again discuss it with a little bit more detail, right? So which side should be the sensor, Shabab? This side should be the sensor or this side? Where the sensor should be? This side or this side? The human side or the other side? Where should be the sensor? Human side, this human side or other side? Where?
The right,
Lot of
human side.
Human side. Because the human being is on this side, it means he's watching here. So the sensor should be here, right? So we will put the sensor here, level indicator transmitter. What is inside level indicator transmitter, Shabab? What is inside it? Yes, Shabab. What is inside level indicator transmitter?
Sensor teacher.
Just sensor or something
And,
else also?
And
Limit switch.
transmitter.
Very good. Three things are there. Sensor, level, sensor. This is one thing. Then level, indicator, and transmitter. Right, Shabab? So all these three things, what we say, level, indicator, transmitter. Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are sending messages. So if you don't want indicator, you can remove it. If we remove the indicator, so what is now? Level, transmitter just. Shabab with me? So if you want to have the indicator, level indicator transmitter. If you don't want to have the indicator, level transmitter. That's good. A lot of brothers, they are saying yes. They are understanding. Okay, that's good. So what is next about? This signal will go where? This signal will go where?
Controller.
Controller. So level indicator controller. What is the name of this signal, Shabab? This is PV or SP?
BV.
PV. MashaAllah, lot of brothers, they are sending the message PV. That's good. And SP, we already applied it. Right, Shabab? Okay.
Right.
Now, final control element should be where? This side or this side? Where should be the final control element? See the diagram. Where is the hand? Where is
Left
the
side.
hand of a human being? Where is the hand of human being, Shabab? Where is the hand of human being? Please see the diagram.
In the right side with the sensor.
Right side. So the funnel control element, because he is, maybe there is a manual valve there. So that's why he is bringing his hand towards it. Right, Shabab? So it is better we put the also valve here. So what type of valve we should put? We are using control valve, Shabab. And it is inlet valve or outlet valve? Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
So can we give the signal directly to it like this?
No, need I to be converter.
No, yes, very good, very good. Because this is electrical signal. This valve need pneumatic signal. This valve need pneumatic signal, Shabab. So we have to put a I to P converter here like this. Is it complete loop, Shabab, now? And this is output of the controller. This PV, this SP, output of, is it complete, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, is it complete?
Yes,
Lot of
it is
brothers are saying
complete.
yes. What is the type of the valve? We didn't mention. Without the type of the valve, it is not complete. It should be normally open, normally closed. What it should be, Shabab?
Normally close.
Normally
Why normally closed? Why normally
Because
closed?
for safety.
Because we need to fill the we need to fill the tank, and
Okay.
after that,
Yeah, that is better. That is good.
For
Good logic. So if the valve is here and it is inlet valve, it should be normally closed. Right, Shabab? If the valve is here and it is inlet valve, the water is entering through it, it should be normally closed. Is it good place to put the water, inlet water? Is it good place? Yes, Shabab.
no, I think it is.
No, teacher.
In that water, it is not very good place. That's true. So let us take the valve there. If we take the valve here,
our state teacher is good, bro.
sorry,
Not good.
yeah. So what we do, we shift the valve from here to this place. And this output of the controller, we bring here. We put a I to P converter and put it like this. Lot of brothers know they cannot see. Let me make it a little down. Now you can see. So this is our valve Shabab. And output from the controller, we are bringing through I2P converter here. Right, Shabab? No, here this valve should be normally open, normally closed. Which one is preferred here? Yes, Shabab. Normally open, normally closed. Lot of brothers are saying normally closed. Lot of brothers are saying normally open. Because here there is no way that you lose the water, or it goes back. So here we prefer to be normally open. Right, Shabab? And especially imagine here the Marafiq water is coming. Here the Marafiq water is coming here. So it should be normally open. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me, Shabab? He's saying why, one brother is asking why it should be normally open. Now, for example, if it is not normally open, it is normally closed, right? So
Yes,
you
clear,
have to
teacher.
open all the time whenever you need the water, right? But if it is normally open, all the time water is coming, and as soon as the tank will fill, the controller will close the valve. Right, Shabab?
It means, teacher, it depends on what we want.
Yes, obviously, yes. That's what we are discussing. How to design the things, how to do the better way, Any question up to here, Shabab? Can we put here some other type of valve? You guys remember we discussed 4 types of valves. So can we put here another type of valve? A lot of brothers are saying yes. So just some type. Tell me which type we can put.
I think we can put motorized valve.
Motorized valve we can put,
We can motorized valve.
Yeah, we can put, but again, we prefer the control valve. What is the reason? Inshallah, as we go more and more, we will discuss more and more, and you guys will get the idea about what are the beauties, what are the advantages of the control valve, inshallah. So, but you keep this question that even we can put here, for example, solenoid valve, then it will not be continuous control, then it will become like on-off control. So we want continuous control, so that's why we put this valve. And in continuous control, yeah, we can put motorized valve, but there again, that has some disadvantages, some advantages, so we prefer control valve. And inshallah, as we go further, we will describe the advantages more and more. Yes, Shabab, question number 2. Yes, Shabab, question number 2.
Teacher, can I read?
Yeah, please.
Is it from the diagram shown as follows, right, teacher?
Yes.
Yeah. There is a diagram, and then it says identify if there are any errors.
Yeah, Shabab, is there any errors in this diagram? Are there any errors in this diagram, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, is there any errors in this diagram? You guys have seen this
Yes,
diagram
teacher.
before?
The
Okay,
symbol
tell
of
me.
the pneumatic signal.
The valve, teacher.
MashaAllah, a lot of brothers, they are sending the message. Yes.
The valve,
as
teacher.
Wall is wrong, you mean?
Yes.
The controller is here. The room setting, room temperature is here. Temperature setting is here. Right, Shabab? There is a bulb here, light bulb. It is sending the light, and there is a heat loss here. Heat loss. There is a heater here, heater. And it is also sending the heat. Yeah, Shabaz, what is the mistake? What is the error?
Teacher, I think there is no sensor.
Huh? Sensor is there, room temperature. This is the sensor. This is the sensor. PV. This is the temperature setting. SP. So what is the error? What is the mistake? Yeah, very good. Lot of brothers, they are saying signal doesn't change. The output of the controller is electrical signal. We all know, right? And it is going to the I2P converter, and after that it should change. Again, we are putting the electrical. Shubha, with me?
Yes.
Yes, should be
So,
pneumatic.
Yes.
first of all, this is wrong. We need this side pneumatic signal, right? So, this signal should be pneumatic. This signal should be like this, Shubha. Right? With
Yeah,
me?
why teacher
Okay.
pneumatic?
No, I2P converter is good, like this.
Huh?
This I2P converter is good like this, Shabab.
I think we have to flip or to
No, lot of
change.
brothers are saying no. Very good, very good.
Delete input teacher. Delete input teacher.
No,
IB. Delete.
the I side should be this side. This is I side. Current is coming from this side. This is I, this is P. Pneumatic
P,
side.
yes.
This is I side. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So, this one mistake was the signal, other mistake was I2P converter. Any other thing we need to fix? Yes, Shabab?
The teacher, the type of valve. The
Very
type
good.
of valve.
Very good, very good. So what is the type of the valve, Shabab? It is mentioned? It is not mentioned, right?
Yes.
So this valve should be what type? Normally closed.
Normally closed. Normally closed.
Normally closed. Why, brother, normally closed? Why? Lot of brothers saying it is normally closed. Why, brother? Why it is should be normally closed? What is the reason?
Because because it is pneumatic teacher.
No. This is not the reason. It can be normally open, but here they are saying normally closed. Why normally closed?
I think, teacher, because we don't need to lose the temperature.
Because heat, teacher, not fluid.
This valve is bringing what? This valve is bringing what, Shabab?
Heat.
This valve is bringing fuel. It is written there, fuel supply. Did you guys see that, Shabab? Fuel supply, right? It is bringing fuel. Maybe steam it is bringing. Right, Shabab? Right. So, now imagine the valve between the benzene tank and car engine should be normally open or normally closed?
Normally closed.
Normally closed. So whenever we want, it should get open, right?
Yes.
Whenever we want, it should get open. So this was same because it is bringing fuel. It is money, expensive. So whenever we want, it should get open. Otherwise, it should be closed.
Close.
Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, with you, teacher.
So that's why we are saying it should be normally closed. So it is all the time closed, and whenever we want, we can open it and bring the fuel. Yes, Shabab. Part B. Please read the part B, brother.
Say basic element of for process control.
Sorry.
Identify the basic element of process control.
Now identify the elements of basic
For
elements
process
of process control. How many basic elements you have for the process control? How many basic elements?
Six.
Six basic elements. Which one?
Process, measurement, set point,
What are the
control.
elements you have?
Okay, I will check. Process, teacher.
Controlled variable. Number one is controlled variable, Shabab. So what is controlled variable here? Controlled variable. So what we are controlling here, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab, what we are controlling here? Temperature, very good. Lot of brothers, they are saying temperature. So we are controlling here temperature. What is the second? Set point. So where is the set point, Shabab? Where is the set point? Very good. Lot of brothers are saying here, temperature setting. It is written here. Temperature setting, Shabab. This is the set point. Temperature setting. This is the set point. What is next? Measured variable. What we are measuring here? Measured variable. So what we are measuring here, Shabab?
Temperature.
Temperature. Very good. Very good. Where is the error here, Shabab?
Final control.
See, this is PV measured variable, room temperature, because you also need to identify on the diagram. This PV. Where is the error? Error is where, Shabab? Error. Very good. Lot of brothers are saying in the controller. In the controller. Where is controller, Shabab? Here, this is the controller. This one. This one is the controller. So error is equal to what? Error is equal to SP minus PV or PV minus SP. This is for direct action. This is for reverse action. Inshallah, we're going to discuss them in detail soon, inshallah. So this is error is here. What is next, Shabab? What is next? Yeah, Shabab, what is next?
Final control element, teacher.
No.
Process.
What is next?
Disturbance, teacher.
Disturbance. Very good. Very good. Very good. Where is disturbance here, Shabab? And you guys remember last week one brother asked me, what is disturbance? Now this is very good example for the disturbance. So where is the disturbance?
The bulb, teacher. Lamp.
Sorry?
The lamp.
Lamp. This is disturbance. Very good. This is one disturbance. This is second disturbance. Heat loss through the wall. Heat loss through the wall. See, this is the wall of the room. And heat is losing here. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me? Shabab, everybody with me? This is heat loss. And this is light. So both are the disturbance. Both are the disturbance for the process. This is the process. So both are the disturbance for the process. Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are sending message. Yes, very good. Okay, what is the next, Shabab? The sixth element of the process control. What is its name? Yes, Shabab.
Calculated variable.
Manipulated variable or calculated variable. So who is calculating? Who is calculating here? The sensor is calculating? No.
No.
Controller.
Who?
Controller.
Controller, very good. This is controller. So output of the controller is manipulated variable, VMM. This is the manipulated variable. Manipulated variable. This one, this is the manipulated variable, output of the controller. That's what is the manipulated variable. So all the 6 things are there. Right, Shabab? Control variable is what? Temperature. Right? Shabab with me? That's good. A lot of brothers they are sending yes. Where is the set point? This is the set point. This is the set point. This is the process variable, room temperature. It is taking, this is the sensor. Room temperature PV is coming from here. Measured variable. This is what, Shabab? Measured variable. Error is here in the controller. Error. Disturbance. These 2 things are disturbance. And then manipulated variable, that is here. Manipulated variable. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, any question up to here? That's good. A lot of brothers are saying no question. So, from here, Shabab, question number 1 to question number 8. It is the homework. So, you guys gonna solve it and gonna submit it. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me?
What's homework, teacher?
This is the homework. Let me show you. This is the problem, question number 1, problems. This is the question number 1, Shabab, right? Shabab with me? This is question number 2. Shabab with me? This is question number 3. This is question number 4. This question I cancelled. So this is question number 5. Right, Shabab? And this is question number 6. And it has some parts. Right, Shabab? So up to here, you guys, inshallah, gonna solve it and gonna submit the homework. Right, Shabab?
Which question cancelled, teacher?
Sorry?
Which question is cancelled?
It is crossed, already crossed there. See, this one cross 1. This one 5.
We solve up to 6, teacher.
Yeah, up to here.
Teacher.
Up to here.
Teacher.
Yes, student.
You can
Yes.
upload the soft copy in Blackboard.
It is already uploaded.
Okay.
It is already with you.
How do we submit, teacher? What's
I will put on the blackboard. Don't worry, I will put on the blackboard today or tomorrow, inshallah. Right?
Okay.
No, Shabab. What I want you guys, what I want from you guys to do, because this homework you can take from any elder brother, any brother from the last semester, previous semester, Shams Copy Shop, anywhere you can take it. Why I want you to do it and submit? Tell me, who gonna tell me?
Practice.
Practice can be. What is else? Yes, Shabab.
Quiz.
You take this homework, Shabab. You take the copy from any brother. You know, yeah, very good. Some brother is saying, make sure you are understanding. This is the point. So you take the copy of the homework, no problem. It is already, you can take from lot of places. Put it under your desk. Then start solving by yourself. Solve by yourself question number 1. Compare with the already solved you got from somewhere. Same way, solve all the question by yourself and then compare them with the already solved solutions. Right, Shabab? So this way, inshallah, you will learn a lot. Shabab with me? Yeah, a lot of brothers, they are sending message, yes. So again,
Yes.
you can take the solution from any brother, from Shamas Copy Shop here and there, no problem. But please don't see them. Don't see them, you know, and you just see when you first solve them and then you will compare with the solution you already have, and this way you will learn, inshallah. If you already see them, if before solving you already seen them, then you will get bias. Then you will just copy paste. So my suggestion, no brother see it, just take it, you know, and put it under your desk, then solve by yourself, then compare your solution with the already given solutions, and then go from there. Any question up to here, Shabab?
I can't hear you because of connection. Can you repeat the homework, teacher, the question of homework?
Sorry?
Can you repeat the question of homework, teacher? I can't hear you. I couldn't hear you. No, I can hear you. Can you repeat the homework question?
Yeah, it is here. I am showing you. You are seeing the screen or not?
Yes. No. I.
See, this is the problems. You are seeing the problems?
Yes.
Starting from here until the end. And they are already on the blackboard. I already put on the blackboard. You just see them there on the blackboard up to here. Right?
Question number 5 had been cancelled.
Question number 5 is cancelled. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask.
Thank you.
Yeah, Shabab, any question up to here?
Teacher, I have question.
Yes, please.
What about TC and TT?
TC is temperature controller, TT temperature transmitter. We just discussed it.
Oh, thank you, teacher.
You are welcome. Yeah, Shabab. Now we are starting.